Confused about the differences between bolt-on and glide-on? Having installed hundreds of both types, here's a side-by-side demonstration on Sapphire's glide-on balcony installation versus the traditional bolt-on method. Previous experience has shown us the pitfalls with the bolt-on balcony method, and it is that experience which led us to develop the glide-on method. The following comparison will illustrate these. Starting from the ground, we have an illustration of both construction methods side by side. Both methods are dependent on the speed of the RC frame. However, common anchors in the market usually require more work to insert them, with the shutters needing boxing around them and with the need for more anchors to achieve the required strength. Note how Sapphire provide casting templates to ensure maximum simplicity and accuracy. Both methods would typically have scaffolding as facade trades finish the facade and seal around the anchors, etc. As the scaffolding is struck, the arms are being installed on the Sapphire method ready for the balcony delivery. As the scaffold is being struck, glide-on balcony install can start, whereas the bolt-on method generally requires all scaffolding to be removed, as it is dependent on being fixed from underneath, which means you have to start from the bottom and work upwards, using podium access on one balcony to get to the next. Note how the tricky access from below each balcony makes this method slow and is heavily reliant on the crane time. On past projects where we installed bolt-on balconies, we were pleased with an average of 4 to 6 balconies in a day. Also, note the stark contrast in safety. With glide-on balconies, installers are inside, in comparison to bolt-on balconies where teams can be working under a live load for 45 minutes per balcony lift. Tolerance is a big factor too. With glide-on cassette balconies, you have a tolerance of plus or minus 20 mm, whereas bolt-on balconies have only a few millimeters. This is where much of the delays are caused. Observe how when the bolt-on balcony is craned up for install, the anchor holes often don't line up due to twisted anchors and casting. This may result in the balcony being craned back down and holes having to be re-drilled. With projects like Pomona Wharf in Manchester, minimal crane time meant significant cost savings. In one day, 23 balconies were installed, and on the next install, 34 balconies were installed in just 6 hours. That's a huge reduction in cost and program. You will now notice the Sapphire construction is complete, where the bolt-on method continues. This is not only because it is slower to install, but because soffits have to be added afterwards, making them significantly more expensive as they are slow, tricky and time-consuming. When comparing traditional bolt-on balconies with Sapphire's glide-on system on a project similar to Pomona Wharf with 200 balconies, several cost savings can be made. These include 1. With the increased strength from our anchors and lightweight aluminium cassette balconies, glide-on balconies could save around 200 anchors and stubs, saving approximately £95,000. 2. On this example, bolt-on balconies could enable 5 balconies per day, in contrast to the 57 fitted in 2 days at Pomona. Even with a conservative 15 glide-on balconies per day, this could save 9 weeks and £45,000 of install and crane costs, etc. 3. Like Pomona, the off-site assembled balconies came complete with soffits and decking, reducing the number of trades required to finish the soffits, etc., and saving around £44,250, for example. To summarize, the other benefits of glide-on balconies are 1. First and most importantly is safety, where installers are safely protected inside rather than under a live load. 2. Speed. For example, the 57 balconies fitted in 2 days at Pomona using Sapphire balconies could have taken 2 to 3 weeks to install using bolt-on balconies. 3. Without access required underneath, and using the unique counterbalance, enables top-down installation and improves speed. With a bottom-up install, the counterbalance is not required, increasing the time of install. 4. No need for re-drilling of holes, as there is a 20mm tolerance pre-built into glide-on cassette balconies. 5. Factory quality. The entire balcony, including soffits, is manufactured pre-install, using the bespoke Sapphire quality assurance process, resulting in precision engineering and a rapid install. Speak to Sapphire to understand which advantages can be used on your project. Let us work out more accurate program and cost savings you can make based on your exact prelims, program and other specifics.